In professional film making, YouTube is the last resort of distribution. Many the first person in Kumawood and Mede Kumawood for its first international film festival in London. Over the first fake Miss London, we made the competition by. I'm the only Kumawood director. I met me win the best film director at 2 times. A whole Ghana movie awards. Kumawood, I almost start here awards. I'm the only director me win it 2 times. My director Kakra Ebedi Ntama Thomas, not John Sajiman or a sound man. Or yeah, I didn't say make me in Sesame Catchings at Ryan, Mess Album, Miss Mamman. It's a Miss Jimmy Ford. It's been me Kumawood film industry, but Dima Tempa. It's such a person, it's not ready to learn, not ready to move forward, and it's not ready to progress in the film industry. On this question of what industry, because on project papa, one go school be Miracle Academy. Oh, why you say how dare you?
Your friend Paulino, Obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fan the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone, so I don't know where you are. I'm sure they tell where you are. Lemfi now they send this guy, enter away a 0. I rate to be a best and be a Lemfi enter away. Now, any just a woman say, and now hear me video. Say, your first time now download the Lemfi, a good smartphone. So Lemfi, a bet 5% cashback. Unim, so use Paulino promo code. That is POLEENO. Lemfi so no rate no and switch all the other apps. Into my catch or so you see Lemfi, they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money. And that's what me send a bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make catch or a Paulino. So what countries are mobile boss now? Download the Lemfi. Now you should never send this car. A bebo ye send the miso abuameno. Download the Lemfi or App Store and I say.
All right, here Chobia Eba Paulino Multimedia. Me the fresh boy Papa G and mene director 1, director Fifi Gaben, Asia Yeba Bedin come on a director a country called Ghana. Movie now called Amazon. Hon sembebre trending. The Amazon Angasakrano. Ye nim how Amazon is say. You see baby on ma. Ye ultimately watch koto. Ultimately share square koto. Ultimately koton idea. Almost say Amazon is a ton. Ebi so say no, Amazon will move kwa dawa just say international. We move kwa Amazon onye international. And as anko bono ena ye babedi. Me before say kasano o Canada, UK, US, o Germany, o France, Italy, Portugal, Ireland, o send this kada bagana you should Lemfi. Never all your money transactions. Ye into free Lemfi kwa na o send this kasama cashback. My promo code no enye Paulino POLEENO. Lemfi be sama cashback. E wo hobetima ko momo so and also bank account so. On the 2nd of August, Ibrahim Traore, Basso, SG Kojon Kasale when he moved now to the Ibrahim Traore, the last African hero. Ye premier no SG Kumasi and to try say do one man. Obebano be shebi moving now obi a person who say city no brand be shebi na yembo ama the Ghana movie industry no emfa ne ntoma pa emfra no kwa use both films on YouTube no kwa share betrayer ya posted to a very nice story ko shebi Bia and Kosukama and Pama. No, but 17th of August, UK. Akweside 2-4 or say to 2 Santimai, Ade Kessie UK. Akweside, Yanisha or Yanko Bama, the Ghanaian culture, and Fanatoma Pa Infra. All right, Mumayan Kodamine director, Fifi Gabin director 1. And coach and director. You have a code.
Oh, Yamiadon. I know I'm 5.
I think the second time I can you.
For a very long time. We say me Kasan mention that and Kasasa. We say once a while. We say they be a master shed them mission be a crack. We say Juman said the city no. What tie a PP baby now or Casa Bebrea. More concentration. Movies be a movie a controversy. Kakao movie Okocha Confanoche won't send baby. Nancy country called Ghana and also said baby. This particular movie, country called Ghana, and home common never be deeper because I fan send baby. Wow, artist, Kojon Kansala, producer, executive producer. I can send me and say no. I hear Macase Obia Beso Chena Junior. Okay, that was and 7. The movie country called Ghana. According to Amazon, could you say directors are more international? Which may you international? More 3. Okay.
Wo ɛna Jackson K Bentum mo anaka no ya enkohwe directors na enkohwe no mu yi ba konfa meka ho na amanfo say what disrespect the other directors no hono na be say yehwe kakra you as a director yes kunyon kasa be ba bonti na obeka sansem we.
Oh, okay. I think say first and foremost no yeah say opinions are like noses.
Yeah.
Into no obia eden e wo bi. Na one time me hu about e wo Ghana especially your film industry in Kumasi no. Ya say contractor wo yi kwan no. Say an count down so contractor na need telepa. Then we count down and I go say yes say ehyepa. Yeah. Papa J, we live in Kumawood, and as we live in a country called Ghana. Yeah. In Kumawood here. Yawaha obi actor bi see friend Mebusem.
Mebusem.
Or ye John Sajama Akwara.
Ghana Jesus.
Ti me so camera sinanim e bedi di me Jackson Bentum atem. Say ye can directors are omabon e wo Kumasi omo nya de kura ye me Frank Gabin. Second person is Jackson Bentum. So I say a director say what Kumawood obi ati you. Obi a say dey yi na ni say onte say e yo mode say akra na so camera esi nanim na odi atem. Obi am point me ameka say o Mebusem o ya akra to bo wanka say yi and obi ama metia no. Yeah. Na no kwada. We live in this same Kumawood, in this same country called Ghana. But gasel we fi abrochire e bae. Obae no ono so ba si on there. E directors me no pe no on there onim e wo Kumasi ya. Omo ye adwuma ono fi say etimi ekọ ekire. Osi me no pe eno so obo Miracle Films Samonya Meche and obo Jackson Bentum. Okay. O kan sa se me no because say baby a fire no a francophobia adwoso nti no yankophobia de obi ama meka wasem bia so bagasevia wanka say ye na yawo directors ekukudam bebre ewo Kumasi ya a omo so betima ye adwuma man den akọ akire mitie sasem wonyame yedin afei we are still living in this same country called Ghana in this same industry called Kumawood. And our boy siki etu nani edi si me so emre country called Ghana e bae e be kan ma obi ati say ye kan director wa bompa e ye mea mintimi nye sini eme nko ba bia osan ka say minsua de so na imagine say obi so boy siki e ka che say wa bon unsua de wa bro no ka say minim ba bia onu okọ ni skwa na say bia osua na de na minim ade osua or jumping from one radio station to another. Yeah. From TV station to TV stations. The yami yakwa so sanko ya de mekotra fifi prat so we won kran. Eko di matem Kumasi ya directors akesie ewo Kumasi ya obia anka word because eko yie de ma homo. Okoto de ne bodwe. What you say? After obotiki kwa crofobia set so as ma make him ko YouTube da ho wako omo set so mo ye adwuma botiki ba no ma shada de camera scene so botiki na say I Frank Gabin say oh I da so sa kwasia no I say on fa ni Jimmy so onim ko to okay kan sansem we nyina director bia ma me bowa because sa emra sa contractors no obu yi omo kwan no anka omo enti no
okay enti omo is it aka omo dan
omo yo okay na afa obi nso so le wen so fi say ono so be share ono so opinion na ono so ababe ka say okay ono so no fi say director sa Kumawood asatena ono on betimi aye adwuma eye miensa na ono abomienu a wa o fi say so equally no obetimi aye bia ma kwa Amazon say Netflix and aside ade no also betimi do wa babe kan you can also come out boldly and say based on reason A reason B reason C me fi say me so
the whole kind that means just international director.
No, Papa J, and your man no ensi bone.
They say the whole
me person me say Kumawood no. So and some egum what I say.
Yes.
Enti no some wom no obi a sori a obi a eka ne boso ade. Obi a eka oka wi a no say your opinion. What I say na say ye kana say ankanwa why you beka wo de na beka ma ye wo de no na wani age na wo te say yes wo te say eja e hye oyonko a na ka he na wasenso eti wo de so aha but ye de no sa na bibi sa na akokwe say ye te say bia franga be na ye ka ne ho asema oni ye side entina ne menya ye nya no na mundi na tem what ase ye na ye se udin wadwuma na ye se no unse me no ye ntem ka say obosiki nwuma nsem okeka ye no affect me madwuma bia no say menya wo baabi e se ye enti nyamia na metimi afo so na maye ade na movie we etimi akwa Amazon na approve sani pakro na no de adwuma bem no wrong na adwuma no kwa Amazon no na say nsem na papa ye kan nya say nya no kore
material wo kan say o person che say de kojo kan no o support say is true
oh an opinion said ye obosiki kan ne dia obi ase ye ni opinion said ye mabusam timi bedi matem ene Jackson Bentu papa panyina kokora say bedi na tem say wa bon onim hwe won sua de what you say e say nkrofo take over said and similar to the when e kan ya wo say young boys nkrofo dey take over the directors bi what you say obo mimi din obo Jackson din ne de o koto de ne bodwe obi ameka se obi from say oba be interview what you say obo esiki ebedi matemi obi from Papa J obo esiki akanse bi na affecting your directors
na me na me ko no ku kan me na me friend say opinion on that
so o ko no wo wan ko no wo e no Papa J ko na metimi de sobo no ne bia bo say ye di matem no sanka wo so sanka me papa na wo say mebusem ese the director Fifi Garben and Jackson Bentum oma bon pa oma nya de ama wo teye so ho munya mo kan be enemies of progress
kojo de o kan na me
na say munya mo kan be kojo de wo teye na obosiki de wante obosiki de wante mebusem so de wante bagase bia de wante anti wo wante de am so le when de am fa so mante
ade ba ko ne say
na ko mo ma no ko so mo fa so mante
you say no the problem is so movie enko Amazon a unye professional so unye international
media
movie no yanka country called Ghana what say this year country called Ghana Amazon Prime and Amazon baby a day watches na e marketing one ade no let me know the difference me na make say say na tete
so say Amazon no platform.
Okay.
So, until we say, Sunday no be say ton near the adeno. We say, a platform be why yachichim.
Okay.
So, until no, ebia a cause ebia a school, and I look as a way 4 denye, class 1 4 denye, class 2 4 denye, class 3 4 denye. Until ebia for the one no, ebia a mathematics books in the group. For the 2 no English books in the room. I have cultural science books in the room. This is Amazon. No, I den akwakoye. Even baby, I this ni egwu no kwan ya chemo miensa. Wan so ya wo.
Baby, this ni
ya this ni kasa kwa Amazon no so no. Ya wo ayi Amazon online.
Okay.
No say sine no ba foforo no. Say ukọ Amazon na wo check a country called Ghana. Yes, so you can rent and buy kwa. So you rent and buy kwa. And you what say what Amazon Prime Video.
Okay.
And you what Amazon Prime with ads.
Prime with ads. And a Prime Video.
Prime Video.
Okay.
What is it? Prime with ads. And what that adverts near the other ebeba. Until no more better to normal day be a police near the other car.
Okay.
Until no say unshine now unima. One show ya obeka so ti Amazon Prime na no when we say e ba bia de watches ne books near the say wo ba bi kwa ye de anwum so what ba ya na e bia anwum process e bia na nche da nye den e ti say from
so country called Ghana no e da Amazon Faneda
e ba ye no e di kan ekoda Amazon online
okay
nche hono na akoy say obetima ton online obetima ahwe no rent online and now onyame adom within a very short time ya no say akọ Amazon Prime Video na Amazon Prime with ads. Okay. Say na em fa say channels miensa na ewo Amazon no so na ye de movies ekọ ho no ekọ no de say onyame adom afa ho nyina
ye nhwe kwan ben na movie ni fast and say movie ni fast so ekopie wo Amazon no say no moye ne sen Oh, there be na say a normal ade. So what I say. Enti wo na wo de wo say amafo so na kwada Amazon no nkyere say bibia a platform a movies go. Obi see movies go bi kwa tan, bi kwa baller. Obo isi kra be ka say movies go bi a baller. Any go. So what I say movie a day YouTuber a fetching movie at Amazon.
O say
so me say me how am fa so selecting movie no.
O say bibia no a process. But yeah, kuma una think say ade ba kwa ye pe a change too much. Na ye gi achinye no so nye se bia ya research ana se ye sua ho ade na ye hu ade na ye gi achinye. But me say ansan wo se me gi ade bi ho achinye no. E se bia minim ade no masua ade na research na me gi ho achinye. But as ye no obi ebo ni trim na wa kan de ofi se na adwene ye no no pese obi a who says the oka no and no correct. Even YouTube cry almost say YouTube say a process.
Yeah.
A bit kaka so say we nya 30,000 subscribers. Also we nya a 4K watch hours. We nya we cry na say even what try we no meet make catch say audio be sound at was copyright into ye betimi a strike and will be a content one a commentary and anchor on our dia to yet me a strike yes strike what I say am friends say YouTube I reject and I say YouTube anye what you say on the channel say yes strike your content I say YouTube anye
you want follow guidelines
what you say so that should also tell you saving let's say Amazon here that they say guidelines and requirements no even bigger because around the world your companies I can see our own offices it's South Africa your company your friend Gravel Road office can see our content aggregating and distribution US bebre Kenya your Rush Lake media Germany Rush Lake media one I know your office can see omo de say ye Amazon partners, Netflix partners, omo partners to the distributors no.
Okay.
Enti no obia per quality content ono betimi dia ko Amazon akwakoton na Netflix akwakoton a ye betimi aton no so anya ono so share kakra. It's a big business. Enti just say YouTube na ofiti na watam say me download we dey ato middleman bi anim, agent bi anim because untimi ntam wo say me koton ama Netflix. Okoton ama wan. I just say wuti yeye. Ntam ka say a process.
Yeah.
Say bia wuti yeye na bia wa film festival bi. Won say akwese ye bo African Cup na World Cup yi.
Yeah.
Won say yes tennis scouts. Em omo ba say omo me search for a players omo nim ball new talents na yam pick omo. Che bia wo bokoto quiet me pick na bia wo Manchester. Then the one a Black Star bia ko ball na South Nigeria na through that na ye hu na ya pekew what I say nti no sana ade no tie and so titimi ye na bia wo movie no de akọ festival bi na bia scout no Amazon scout aba ho e bia no na so mu na net na so mu hu a e no de ye wo ne o manya direct link o mu na ba be hwesini no e wo festival na so ma ba be hu e no mo sini we ye fenti ye pe e no mo peke afri ho nti en de ye wo ne o masem na emom se enye saa na watchesi no awia sa content aggregators and distributors here make us you have to pass through them.
Oh, okay.
They are the middlemen.
So omo link mo to that platform no.
Me bawo. Enti no omo kra no to get them no it's not easy. Because
to get a middleman no.
It's not easy. They make a company aye one managing director ne ade nyina. What you say? See o papa company wa we maybe e dacho you wo de obi aye. What I say, your acquisition department.
Okay.
It's acquisition department. Omo na ehwe movies and kwofo submit no. No omo so nimu. No kra no, no obe person ni akoton wo Amazon ni. Wo submit sin no ko BS movies be 100. No omo aso ni ma yi be 10 bi because ono person o de be kona ya reject it. Because o de kona ya reject ya a danger to a disgrace to the company.
The Oshun pay the best.
And all share quality. Meeting standard no fee say or the qua reject it.
Yeah.
Yes, sana so the corner movies or ma reject bear for na ka wana. Next time no question we call in companies we movies. Papa.
Yeah.
Until for you to even get a distributor, you're very good, you know, to distribute your film and also then papa.
In a country called Ghana, a passage through such a channel.
And you know, yeah, no say you yes in no, and I'm a try some of the international film
festivals.
Watch us here.
Okay.
And you know, Ebia and that time no, Nyame adometimi nya nominations near the ade. Into my movie no backing. Though say we were not lucky, say be a push here. Those kind of aggregators no be
okay.
And it's like you direct you know no be
festivals
but yeah sa back in the back end so movie we a festival we enya nomination enya award bi wa which means say movie no e good
okay
and answer na ono distributor no ko or business we seen no
akoba bi da
e festival back in na because obi o wa
na say movie no twa na that festival back in na e quite a
plus
one
na no nya fan ko ma distributor no kra wo
okay
also because say why yes sad dey kakra ma movie ni mo ye dudu because onu say osini a akọ festival ya nominated na sini be fe and say movie na be go na 100 na ye dey abene say onu pese oyi mo 10 or hwe dey di kan so ntimi hwe ni nyina to di kan hu dey say okay we akọ festival is also like first 10 or who say enya nominations be bia na no facility no ya aka na ebola
wow enti o chema country called Ghana movie no sa na koye
enti no ye wie na call festivals no e wie no na how to get the aggregators no
okay
and no kwa no ye pass it through one aggregator the distribution company from Tribe Nation omo the first people obudi kan agis ne no
omo nya ni Ghana ha
no first one no Nigeria Tribe Nation omo kro mo gis ni wie na chi that time na movie no shede nya nominations ni ade afa ya wa na nti wo hwe articles ni because say Tribe Nation na yes Tribe Nation omo reject is ne no
omo reject country
because ni a Tribe Nation dey abro no edoso ebi mu odu masa ebi no akọwe ne Toronto International Film Festival ebi akọwe nti no wo de no acha say na stars na ewo mu no equally no Nigerian big stars na Kenya ebi kwa ye South Africa kakra Kenya kakra Nigeria stars no maka bom enti wo Ghana Nigeria no ma mom wo ko sa ho na ye no nonsense place no nonsense room sa distributor wo kwa wo do si ja koto ni say we use stars akese masa movies na South African kwa bia a year bet match movies be 100 Nigeria bet match over 200 Kenya emaye we my now imagine say all these movies now from Africa will be a compete for a slot in Amazon or Netflix near the and you know content aggregator message distributor be a pet ne top 10 bia ono year no and ono so or the business ono obe sawon kwan so ko list mistake na wan tusu de ye na wo ko na ye reject pe and wo bi na wo de tua wa kesika te say the Polino etua wo kaya so nti adwuma na nko yi a so you have to mention a war acquisition manager on ne de ne say on na acquire sin na aba no on na hwe sin nya na on wa select the best for the company
okay
it's a Tribe Nation one acquisition manager on wa select bia and the top 10 Rush Lake, one acquisition manager,
the
top 10. African Media Pros, selected top 10. Gravel Road, selected and the top 10. Companies are across the world. When you're African, but I'm fast say Africa now you want to make Africa. But imagine Asia, India, for are competing for a space, or we are competing for a space or a slot on Amazon or Netflix.
Wow.
And Netflix and Amazon, they want the best out of the best. And now, Obia so all this senior co-presidents or lobby, ama ne sini ya jam ya tono. Say ya nyewo dia waboka. A business.
But also the way I say can also movies are working from South Africa, from Nigeria, from India, all over the world.
We compete for a space.
Wow.
For a space on Amazon.
Wow.
Because Obia will trust in the whole world, America, Obia target said in the movie. ebetimi akọ Netflix or Amazon ana meboa worldwide obia ultimate goal no okọ Nigeria
every movie
maker be biggest dream
the dream no
obi wa ne sini kwa Amazon kono wa nya hwekra onim say
platform
ana because ye obi wa the first movie called Amazon wa nya hwe but because say ni din da Amazon kwa no otimi de fa wonya contract a bigger contract you know ye rate some of the big directors and actors na ye show mo sini akwa achiri
so country called Ghana what's it company ba ko reject
company Tribe Nation ya de kwa African Media Pros am say okay nyom so reject ye Tribe Nation de omo de kan je yo and a chon person be reject because na backing ni sa
okay process festivals na call nominations light more
that happen na ya shase that just no na the same actors no Ramsey no one ya the masa almost what top stars no ya can nipa be 10 na agbom wo sini ba ko mu I know different sini be bia 50 go stars me bregu and no Ramsey no one ya no ko du one ma mo ye down mo ye ketwa ho because that ya kofa Jimmy Jean Louis free Hollywood aba betwa ayi citation kunle afula the national Canadian stars be bre ho what I say Hollywood na jaja fa stars South Africa combination South Africa fire combination combine top class for your movie to pass through that stage no it's not easy
so I won't go through that session and I also pursue another festival
we pursue another festival and other distributors it's media pros to so reject here omo nyina yi wa letters wa omo chede ntom reject na nia de Fem 1 omo na reject movies for Nigeria number 1 Fem 1 me ko ho omo reject me but the ntia me ka say won say adwuma bia na o ya edru ba bia wo beji din dru ba bia you come into contact with people but men there a boa me a country called Ghana ne say na afi medru level bia makọ international film festival before then me started 2016 and you know more now wo ko bia nipa no me nya sika mfa nkọ emeti omo but omo timidin Frankie Gabin, Black Monkey, Frankie Gabin, bia this almost say what I say and you know almost a group be a friend Pan African Film Consortium near what Film Africa and what Afriwood I don't know a top directors and producers na a platform no because I just open recommend one sana ya do and you know producer be on Nigeria add them on that platform.
Wow.
It's me take advantage of the platform, no? Because you said distributors were into me nomination. The announce Miami article 10 here. I'm at the Tukuma platform so be here. Now from in the open kind, some back in kind. But let me push it at the far. It's your own advocates in Ankasa or almost distributors no direct, you know, gravel road. Or after some reject more one on one send message personal. Because my WhatsApp number is on the platform. I say, bro, this is my email. Send me and let me review.
Okay. Country called Ghana.
Country called Ghana. Me wanna gravel road so you bigger company than all my medical and more rejecting.
Wow.
But because of my contribution to African cinema, kind of contribution to African cinema.
Yeah.
Because at that time, no, not a platform, no, my nominated me as a judge for Lagos International Film Festival 2020. If you don't know, I'm telling you. Yes, me a jury. Pan African International Film Festival. I was a jury.
Wow.
I'm a year jury so my friend. It's not my very popular on the platform.
Wow.
Omo kasa me part to omo try me promote to Ghana. Me promote no on kasa me fa ade mre no. It's the company no na share that say omo je. But because of me push no because me the popo no me the two platforms am san se ni bia de akwa on wa me hwe mpanyifo na wom na me articles ni popo om what I say
wow what bojuma
e no o se me nya den me send it nto o send ma acquisition manager no na me send command no o se me command na 2-3 months na on share on hwe enti afi me wa na bibia me say me san command no masa they say me for na 3 months ni no so mentre a reminder na me san try reminder nti me try reminder after the again no na no pupi say ono no wa de ato ba because sini agwo no doso
Wow.
Chafo mko hwe no so oh okay no movie is good oh you meet the requirements ni ade ade no nti afọ omo no agi atum sisi no afi efe na mo se omo so e wo omo requirements bi e wo se wo meet
Wow.
nti na omo send by ten eno kware me se we wo ha me hwe se wa kam meet me e bia kire na omo ebie ye omo de send me email na afi de the shy say you go through it yes kan nyema si ania me edita no so o good me che no mo pe we bia millimeter say e bia o mo pe aspect ratio o mo pe say even o aye o poster kwa mo size o mo pe SP then yes anyema ni nyina na arrange ni nyina na fe ye de ade no e ko ya onyonyame finally na me adom anche bia na first platform I hit it on Amazon. Oh, until me camera. They make camera question say, "Adie biano se unim ehunim dia e wo se usua." Nse wonsua yen so a me hye daran en mo trim nkan ho asem bi a so wa simple. What I say, oh I didn't say what question sini no o pictures ni ade ya pra wo betimi e de akọ.
One thing I want to ask him is say you can say movie a international movie.
Yeah.
The money international movie.
Oh, one say one met me aka say
almost say me no director na kasa. Me no director na kasa. Me no director na kasa. Me so church na me ti ase. International movie. The money international.
One say akwa say obo kotoko. And say obo has. Na miadum wanya Black Star biabo
okay
so ho na say Manchester hu na so omo beto wa say ya ka so okọ international
na okọ international fi kotoko international
acha so fi kotoko okọ international enti no say utimi eye senianti emphasize Manchester eye platform
okay
Liverpool eye platform
yeah
AC Milan platform kotoko mu nyina eye platform but eye local platform.
Yeah, funny say.
Me pacho.
Okay, what do you call?
A local
platform.
And I said local club.
Okay, what I say.
What I say. To the moment I will be cross Kotoko. Akobo Liverpool pay yes. Oh, international. Well, so Ghanaian international star be. E wa haye one. Ye mo friend no me Black Star.
Good. Engineer say in meme terms, no. Yeah, funny say.
Across the borders. If your movie.
Me YouTube. Or the YouTube.
Yeah.
Me person will be aware the way actually.
Okay.
The YouTuber. What I say from YouTube, Netflix and Amazon, I don't know international.
Oh, yes, mama.
In fact, what be that say?
I mean, who say? And no cressa ubetime de be a sin be to YouTube. So, obi a ebetime ahwe. Obi betime ahwe no India and any other. But your friend be say yardstick. There's a yardstick that we use to measure everything.
Yeah.
I hope say say friend me can obi ote bofo bia eti ase okọ Nigeria ye wo omo YouTube filmmakers wo
your YouTube
filmmakers omo good cadre money ade
yeah YouTube
and ye wo cinema filmmakers wo
YouTube filmmakers and
your cinema filmmakers wo
okay
those say YouTube so entino even though say YouTube for na etwa bebre no the respect that they have, so utimi ko cinema. The respect that they have for you, no. You're bigger than say YouTube. And I say cinema no so wie. Na say a platform which say Amazon, na say their Netflix near the ade. They say, hey, my movie go international. What I say, me sure say Nigeria ni be try YouTube, they go to YouTube na aka say me try international movie.
I say obi no America, obi no India. Obi ahwe no Kosovo, obi ahwe no Canada dia, international.
And it's na me de yes Milan mo ye patron.
Okay.
Who say YouTube na akwa e bi say unlimited.
Yeah, all play all.
Entino ya kase bi ye
Unkan cho producer say o me yedi mi.
It's no.
So o cheche mi ni na ntina mi.
We say ya wo bibia eye limited.
Yeah.
It's no eno no say baby anka me ka say it's for a privileged few bi.
Okay.
What commercial ya ye we kwa no. And say Ghana ha no. There are some club bi o ha enye obia na timi egbo wura ho. Enye club me ka say night clubs near there dey.
Okay.
There o baby o so kwa ye ministers ni mpanyimfo bi.
Oh nansen kwa
guys ni kwa ko.
Yes o mo dress ye mamu. So mo dress kama pa. Ya mo man ko.
Oh ntino ye wade bi wa is for the privileged people. It's for a class of people. What I say ntino YouTube a classless.
YouTube a classless.
A classless.
On say statement we are make statement we are make. Asa o ka say no. Fabra twi. Oh me no nyabetre. Ye nyina YouTube ye hobi.
There be o me ka say nyo. Dem
a classless na o che no.
Me mama kire mo ha. Me ka say a classless a. Eno e kire say
nipa hunu bia
any category any category of filmmaker can go to YouTube.
Of course. Any na say obia timi nipa hunu bia.
Me ka say nipa hunu say category. Or what I say? Oko even acting kwa no say what A-list actors.
Yeah,
you will B-list.
Yes.
You will C-list.
Yeah.
You will D-list.
Yeah.
What I say? Anytime I said any category of filmmaker or director biano, let's make tracing at the YouTube.
But for Netflix and Amazon, any category of director.
And what I make sure say even memebo anytime I say even in Nigeria kwana ye na yesi say ye fia omo. Omo YouTube filmmakers omo ti omo ho ase.
Ye hani e wo.
Me ka say omo ti omo okwa Africa be bia the whole Africa they were YouTube filmmakers. Omo ti omo ho ase omo ye omo so ne omo de omo ne je won say ye from say omo ye YouTube filmmakers. And ye what cinema filmmakers. Oko South Africa omo bebre. Kenya say omo ntanye YouTube cinema. On say Cameroon shada ntom nka. Omo cinema. Omo good movies cinema. Cinema sinkwa. Ena mutwa. Enti no ye wo that rank no e wo ho. That ranking wo ho. You ntimi taking away. Say we have YouTube. We have YouTube filmmakers. We have cinema filmmakers. And even within the cinema filmmakers, no kwano. Ya wo almost it me cross borders. Because when your movie crosses border, that is one because I am international.
Oh, okay.
What I say is me trusting na say anko platform bi a cross border. We say what me trusting na akoda Iroko TV. Our Nigeria crowd international because you've crossed border.
Yeah, okay.
What I say, you know, and yes, we seen no what you're seeing na so obi akoto CD na say ohwe a year. Fine, you be to make us obi wa broche worry. What I say, but we are talking about the yardstick na dimension is a platform.
Okay.
A platform meant for film.
Okay. For good movies.
Not meant for film.
Okay.
But whether good movie. A platform meant for films.
Okay.
And then you will a category platforms so you categories be you will Canal Plus you will HBO you will say you will Tubi. What is you international platforms so be brave. And you know say for YouTube with there YouTube and they come go so what I say it's make us say classless and
yes how you see
and no who say in film making YouTube is the last means to massem way the opportunity in film distribution. Okay, YouTube is the last means or the last alternative of distribution. As not making obia or tisiniase out worldwide bia and say they make an
easy access.
And you say easy access. And the last means to me and so easy for people to and no standard na e wo no na ya set worldwide no obi sa from make bia the whole world da obeka che say the last resort, the last means of distribution no and YouTube.
Okay.
And to what we do see be call YouTube, which means I know last So when fan ko YouTuber when you sure say bit mako bebia what I say ba say we are very sure of yourself say oh me yesini na obi e betimi akọ Apple e betimi akọ bia HBO e bia betimi akọ Ibaka TV e Nigeria betimi akọ Iroko TV we be try enu ni nyina na wa wie na bia wa jeje ho kakra wie no afa unya ba bia amfasi na iko no now they abeto YouTube they make enya de atem obi amfa de atem
afa o chiremu ye
a professional no a sanity and YouTube is that in filmmaking, in professional filmmaking, may sense so. Some people being quite manusibone. In professional filmmaking, YouTube is the last resort or the last means of distribution.
Fantastic. Matthias Sepa.
It go to YouTube.
Ombeje.
But me say enkomo ya ye dia.
For the same to say. If I come Amazon, na fa come local TV se becha.
Afa o chiremu, won say o chiremu. O chiremu. Director.
Yeah.
Me ne director Fifi Garben na edi enkomo say me ne person onya abotre chiremu ye say ni chiremu o de amaye no. Oh, for now I think say I clear.
Yeah.
Mo hu baby a country called Ghana eda process a film and sana equal that level. And the other platforms so when they are marketing of selling other items near there and also a different part of Amazon. So what I say and then you movie no or person say and yes mass one straight to Amazon. You see acquisition for honum distributors for more beji movie no I share near my pass it through and sana. It's for now agent Ibrahim Traore any command. It is say open what you say. It's over to me I say. We are international director. Pay baby a movie you do not can say movie ko do hard work international. We can say we international director.
Me no enya movie we na dem call international.
No no.
Me call international 2016.
Oh, that's we international director.
But me dey country called in Ghana me come back because bibia no say o shas ye kwa na so unya a producer mo nso mu a wa utimi make effort on your own.
Yeah.
I think said 2016. And I'm a producer in friend Black Monkey.
Black Monkey. Yeah, Black
Monkey. Van Vekamunia that time that year no it was one of the most expensive and then I'm watching me. First na me was kakra. Oh. I'm a producer. Me say my producer me senior. It's a big film pa. But I say me yare kakra na.
Yeah, maniama.
E ma me sika share. Sika me dey adwuma na share. And I say mama but na me yakasa me produce ni. Me yeah Black Monkey no. Black Monkey and I say make I say even 2012 no. Me the first person first director in Kumawood na mede Kumawood called its first international film festival in London.
Wow.
That was
that is Black Monkey now.
No, that was even Amagana.
Amagana.
2020 Amagana can 2010. Yes. Amagana. Oh, it can 2010.
Yeah, make right.
And you know by 2011 na me the first person me Kumawood movie I call even Academy Award, Master Magic to Academy Awards.
Wow.
They call Zappa Global Awards in London. Na me nomination.
Wow.
So that time it was me, Vivian Gel, Ejako.
Oh, okay.
So that was a time crowd through that movie Vivian Gel DJ UK visa. And I'm a visa.
Wow.
And I'm a call London. To me the first Kumawood person. I'm a call international.
Okay.
Ecosia International Film Festival. Congo City this year International Film Festival.
Wow.
That was 2011, 2012.
Wow.
I'm the only film director, Nigeria film makers ever competing in 2016. That's Kunle Afafloyan. It's one of the partners of Netflix. Uchama Netflix. That time, yeah, from Africa Entertainment Legends Awards. I was the only Ghanaian and competing here. Could you believe, sir? Me train Nigeria for ni more till Ebeka be 2 days. I'm here close to voting. This wasn't the normal vote for me. It was intercontinental.
Well, maybe
Nigeria for nominees from Togo. I was representing Ghana and me chiyomu.
Wow.
I'm be able to say na uko online at the
Wow.
Into 2 days and I could lay a fly on ebe chimi. And I man Nigeria. That was 2016.
With all this effort, the last time director Miracle Films, no, I say, Obo Abaso Papa, because you be a who pushy. What you say, so ye Juma, who try so many Juma to set a pedestrian, and so on. I Juma ready, Hanam Peseko, But sa nneɛma wei nyina me hu say you nko within the industry na otimi yes nneɛma wei and there are okọ odi movie no call the other acquisition for na say distributors na kai who any Ghanaian movie bi a director bi ti say won so be share ho na won nyina wo ho mo pese mo di movie ko bi sa
oh won say ya na ye kan ase kuma wuda asem na ye kan but me ma taking in the real sense no as a director there senka utwa scenery we give it to a producer
yeah
sine no me twa wie nie so obechiare o
so when dey
obeton so o ajo sika nanka woko but me no as a person no na me hu say okay me no me call University of Ghana.
Yeah.
It's one thing sometimes you know me be Kumasi kwa no say me boa. What I said you know I majored in radio, TV and film production.
Wow.
But I have a degree in English and theater arts from University of Ghana. Now yeah no me no mo training me no. They were Pan-African film makers. Okay. Talk of Professor Kofi Awono. Okay. The late Professor Kofi Awono. Okay. Dr. Martin Owusu. Dr. Africanus Ave, and a host of them now. Yeah, class one. Now, yeah, friend of the 12 apostles, the film class. Okay. Now, George Kuabuaji.
George Kuabuaji.
Oh, you know you're my mate.
Oh, wow.
So when you're first year, when you're in that film now, won't mean major in film class. I'm the only person I mean call film class, and I'm Micromisina, my director senior, Medekwa, Omo Yade Koshimamo. Ya hwede suade. Wow. What I say? Na dey back when they say na almost every year bia no or so call first park. Na as ye dey requirement. First park na wo ayi Ogadugu, Burkina Faso. Okay. Ibrahim Kromo. And it's the biggest film festival in Africa. Wow. Into all your film class one kwa so oko. Na I will host them say no omo kwa minisika me dey beko. Into the piano, more qua, no back and once a match. I call first Paco, and I say, you call first Paco. Into first year, first Paco, no. Second year, first Paco, no. Third year. But I was one of the best film students there. And I mean, yes, you can't call first Paco. So, I did be as a me cry. She me pass the Biom Festival. Me Kobe. It's me now. And Momunio opposition so edit 2 coin. Yeah. Into me, she me trim say. Se me wiena se me be a director what I mix those days I will make sure say I work and get it. Wow. What I say into me and me take the task upon myself say okay me start with me missing because me you obi on bet me produce senior a mood a bigger me dey advance through that. Yeah. Into me last kind of me boa me dey Black Monkey. The Black Monkey na me say DC road. Wow. Wow, any beer kind of a beer a quino. No nominating or US, no more nominating Wakakra on that time. So now, my medical day, I'm a gun and I call London. So, London, Korea, maybe you come out for Yabi. About so, bois, no, to come back, then I'll fake award way. What I say, I would fake our money, say, no, Miss London. Wow. After company, I know when you're ready. To me, the competition by. That's what you say. Also, you know, Jaffe after about 4 years or so, and Baba and white man by me horse say, now my fellow forms the man, Zap, but I my submitted movie. And I'm submitting man on to me call London, or to call best director indigenous. Or also the bind up in a I feel be a near say, said the Frank Gabna and Miss Percent. What can I say? MK Baba. Baba costume. Aye. Oh, okay. Oh, internal for me na any abre. Baba by 2016 no. Na me no my share see me di machine ye experiment. Me the experiment here. Sini me nya hwe o. But na me the experiment ba bia most opportunity na ma share that automatic sa. Na me di sua de kakra sa na me di ma afi me dia akwaji African best. Akon Nigeria akon wani awards bebre me South Africa Kenya ni ade Togo kra me award wa me nyanko.
With all this experience, all this awards ni dey na be man director we ka say unima adwuma.
Oh, say ntina make say on say you afraid be say healthy competition and you afraid be so unhealthy competition say bia na say me meka say me nya kwan call London no edru baba so that time that bia na me ni fam bia ele what ka chen say omra na me nche ne se de si eye no me kire no me pie kwan ne ma no ampa so kwan no onya opportunity no ma Evan Dam so esua free baba ho ma no so nya opportunity that year and omo anya wo London me yours Nigeria ma Evan so ko Nigeria e ko wene awards no bi e ho through the initiative na me take here no entil me wo say papa just wa hwe me a wona me nka say ma me nka a director bi wa sem da me more director bi din enkan say director we nya de we dey one kamasema me nka wasem we dey onya de we dey small boy da bi obia e good but obia won strength and weaknesses what I say entil no say nipa no un say ha oye good a support no so ba ho say oh asumasi me un say why are dey we na on kire me ekwan na me face say why not what I say but there are some people be he will not come sim say ferry say den o ono ntimi nya ade no o ba ho so abibisa so ade we na ye ne se na se ne so ono so o ma entron on say ye kan on asem so hey at the right way there or international o so na no and so the only thing is you have to find a way to discredit you now what can sem wona bia the head and tail of nensem na o kana na obi a me sebe me kwat sini sem ya me pese me school but obi a me mako University of Ghana na me kwa degree in film making and kasa me kwa degree in theater arts and English oba Ghana Movie Awards I'm the only Kumawood director I met me win the best film director at was 2 times
Ghana Movie Awards
a whole Ghana Movie Awards I met me and cry for a compete Kumawood I almost start here awards I'm the only director me win it 2 times I'm the overall best film director in Kumawood Awards in the history of Ghana Movie Awards Menkwane the only director me win it bida Oba Africa I'm the first Kumawood person made Kumawood its first international film festival in London many the first Kumawood director win the overall best film director in the whole Africa what I say
Director 1
and Oba so Amazon a distribution so I'm the first
director
a director to do this but in all this no one say made to say a director be what I say
there are the first director in Kumawood mom Kumawood na work as okay for Kumawood yeah shed that bibia so if there is any director bia also I travel to that
level also okay a credential saba what I say until me say unima obi nima obi kire until no obi ti say there's a director bi say on Messiah Edu and ya adwuma Nick very good guy humble guy omunya adwuma bi a producer for so okay adwuma we dey mood dodo enti me pese Frank Gaben den ebe tawachi na ono so de ne nyansa ebe boa na adwuma no eye big was senior man manemra because ono be bia ni movies a travel aye den edru no me nya nu ho nti ono obeta mechi kura be masini mai den ayedu in the end no ye baka se me na me director sine no na me so be di agime den bi won adwuna ono afa
ono ye director ono ebe onye adwuma ye friend so wan ka se dey bi Fifi Gabe
Dabi ono so fi say me so me ye obi a me movie a travel baby me movie a travel no ni movie nyan travel enu o wan kwata kra se me de me ideas ebe support no na ebe bo ma ono so din ai den apeja ampa ye ko ye adwuma no wie no masa adwuma no to kwansi so metu bia nsi so ayi adwuma ma mehye kwa basset no so ma obechia yen ama adwuma no ye kama kwa na wo hwe adwuma no se adwuma no se de mosi aye do a afo no anya adwuma bia no producer na nka nche ne se on frem kwa no afrem so senior bra na beta mechire nyina ye de fen ne ne je
we aso ya wo kana me busa se me te se woni director June Sajiman buko share adwuma ba akọ ho ama adwuma no ono ne de man so onye
asem no kwa emisa ati se sa particular interview there me hwe ye nse ya na a directors no ya na me pese me ka obi won asem
me clarification
me some me kan ba eni nkan no Jones Ajeman. Age mu de menim say bia na obechen me dia menim.
Aha na me end me conversation e kwa wie me precise explanation.
Eba age mu na say ochen me dia e bia menim. Na emom say eba adwuma ni mu dia menim say me ye panyini esene no. Because me kai say mra me start ya me direct kakra ye be di ntama pa Thomas na Jones Ajeman oye me sound man.
Oh, okay.
Ye twa sankwan na oye me sound man.
Okay.
I think say heavy storm cry. I don't know say no na sound man. I don't know, but I'm very sure of kakra e be DNA sankwan. I think say the first movie cry or directly, if I'm not mistaken, let me use that word, was Love and Pain. Love and Pain and next step your Canada and a be producer here.
Okay.
I'm the one who wrote the script. At some point in time, can not necessarily percent me directive a man, but that time Miss Maya hot. But I'm a directive patron. That time Jackie Apia ne Van Veka Mabekuma, so many very hot cakes. It will to Van Veka will be so hiano. To Van Veka try 2 days or so Jainoko, so Jackie Apia Mamma Contina, and yet possible. The script I may try, and I James Yadema Jones Ajeman. And all that copycatting so Jones said the Messia at Channel. She also said not directing, said, me channel the way and come me directing now.
Okay.
And come me may. And so follow that a pattern or choice no. I find me who make charms. Oh, Jones, well done. What I say, they would the one senior me train. Send me person econ. Sana here then a boy, me charm. Now back to RTV Amankwa. Me say, Minia, a ketwa Jones Ajeman. Odin nkomo bi say ono na okostati adwuma wo Amankwa adwuma RTV
2 pilots
na ekwan fa na no at some point in time kono person che me say be minimum adwuma mabon che say ono kra na me eti ase say ono me be adwuma boma oya ade kra na nkoye kra me ntime nche ne say ade na oye no enye mesa abom nsem kra ma magimi nti say be ma adwen ni ho nti oya ade ne nye no a obi anim say ade ne nye me ni adwene sebe ma bon me nko school da me ni ma kenkan the script no me nim nti no Jones me gina wa fidie so catch the whole was say so oye ade na sade ne nko ye kwa ya me se me catch say ade nye me san abom nsem ma no say me so jimi fo de it's been ni kuma wood from industry mo wa di matem pa medana se oh ya adwenchire say me medana se wa di matem say it's a nice way of in sorting so di matem. Now back to RTV. So onima man history ke tuwa bi.
Okay.
The first movie Amankwa a produce ye. Me a friend of my daddy, my husband, not the 2 pilots.
Oh, okay.
Me Frank Fifi Gaben ya mete ya say mabon. Me na me director sa film no. Me yusu Kofi Adololo. Me yusu Ejako Emilia Brobe and Samuel Ofori. That movie was a big film, a hit here. Nti anu am na Amankwa de na ma or they best starting the TV station ade. Nti na e back film there obi an say me ya Amankwa adwuma.
Yeah.
What you say? Nti no nye or year 2 a pilot nti na obe frame say me ya adwuma enye dan ema no. Nti bra obe twa saa to a pilot after many years no or frame nya me say yen kan enokre.
Uno di kan frame.
Me no di kan frame. So me say odi kan frame say but of frame.
Okay.
Amankwa a media man ntimi ntwantro ntono so. Amankwa frame. No say director adwuma bi say na me pese me yadan me yo. Nti kan me pese ka wo office na yehia. What you say? Into that time say na beben Xmas. We say do I am takoye adon for adwuma bi or director adon for 9 lessons be more. Into that time na so. Na me so me koye adon for adwuma nti no me kwa akra nti bi aka me kwa akra ba. Because na me 9 agency kwan so. And also okay. Into by the time I me wie adom na me san ebe kumase no ono so aba akra. We say Stephen branch so we wa akra. Na say akwese me toso ne bi. Don't you know? At some point, I'm going to person can make Kofi Asamoah eye. And so person Kofi Asamoah eye. The other say the first choice a director was me.
First choice
was me.
Okay.
And then the second choice was Kofi Asamoah. ɛna ɔmro obo Kofi Asamoah din no sabe Kofi Asamoah so no adwuma no ko ɔyɛ akora sene me ɛso man popo meti man ka se Kofi Asamoah nya ade ɔba adwuma no mu da bɛn ɛna den me fa so okay so ɔno so akɔ akra wa improve ɔno so ɛwo new ideas bi ɔsua de kakra nti ɔba na nyina ya ka bom na yɛ ya ɛbɛyɛ fɛ ɔacha se enti me nim so Kofi Asamoah so Kofi Asamoah bia na Kofi Asamoah so ayɛ tight kakra ɛna Kofi Asamoah so di Jones Agyemang ɛna se kakra so I'm sure say bia Kofi so might recommend say oh ɛne bia ɛfa adwuma na ma Jones Agyemang enti by the time me here ready me feel say ka metimi ni amankwa ahia no na wadi kan wasan de adwuma koma Jones and me there me stay back but because na wadi kan frame ni me di won komo nti no me de mani di adwuma no achi acha say nti no amra adwuma no buy kwa na me hwe trailer ni ade no me send the message commands oh why are there trailer no e kama that's how a good director should do so be ade na e fa na o colleague aye adwuma so do sen camera ye dey adwuma na ye dey man but me recommend it and after a friend say no 2 pilots no and amankwa san frame and no say no adwuma no ye no after premiere no anko ba bia oh at the premiere we bet my show back to second show so na bo nya hwe
after premiere no say eto aso
sa eti no we so why premiere say unwie promotion sika ne ka wo brand there no billboard sa wo ye kwa unwie na bo nya hwe nse wo wie premiere said the okase na ye premiere national theatre me e bia kotu amfiri mama uko bucha mankwa 3 pilots one say obesu a kyerɛw the offer mo obesu a kyerɛw ba na obiere me say waye billboards na waye say what I say time there was a day na narrative or deals or go through during the premiere na mo sa mankwa bo na ni a nko obesu what I say enti no when yesika amfiri the way Jones no e kan
ni sen kase ko ma wo ye ya
dabi oh
ni ma be yen ko bi ska
dabi se me no enka so omu wiesine no me hu e kire na e fe no
okay
as a professional director me say ko dey adwuma e brand but adwuma no am because of ebia bibinti contacts and I say nti yantimi anya no me science and me say oh the trailer is nice and you good ebo na baso ayo obi a se de Jones de benyam yo no di matem se metikodo adwene bia na o di matem what I say but me de me recommend you adwuma no enti o ka kire me say o person o ye adwuma fufu but we dey very big
okay
na on person be ye we no be premiere na we na no no o person e international platform so say Amazon say the when frame ya first time na le when ye adwuma so person e international or they need to form out to me say me na metimi aye sa adwuma no amana ma akọ bi a Netflix ni Amazon ni ade but because Jones ye ba ko me ma ye ba akwa ma no na Jones so abe ba akwa ma no nti ono fi say okay ye mienu nyina no wa hu obi a strength
okay
nti wa hu something in me no hu something to Jones mo but the story is about migration. Migration, your woman desert so form so echo. Now he was prepared say obetwa ma yakosi bia Libya and your mom so nam air. No mo so stowaway ship mo. Enti nkaye no yemi no e bia nka ba ko betima handle e bia air side no. Obi a me betima handle bia ship mo de no. E bia say desert no Jones na ja desert warrior. Or no desert no which make no so afa on bibisa that was his idea.
Is that opposite compare the two directors?
Compare the two because of the nature.
Oh, far again so
mo fan so no dia no handle sa line because na story was branches 3 oh so that was how big the story is so enye say bia na Jones Agyemang na extraordinary bi but no who said directors me no on your my adwuma no first one eye me and the second one no eye ha it say ope directors me no your migration story branches no ebi wa na ebi
wa opese ko ka two ni bom na mo adwuma ekosi sen
enti no me de me o friend me na me see okay and o say o be sian frame bi o the day no friend me no say na wa friend Jones Agyemang so me kwa na me nim nti me kwa na as usual o de two manim so as because as script no me na me ye ho adwuma it's obvious me na me wa upper hand a me timi aka say me ntimi ni we nya adwuma ana me ntimi ni we nya because the story me na me ye ho adwuma
Okay.
screenplay nya da me na me ye ho adwuma
Okay.
me handle saade also person odi Jones Ajiman ebeka ho because the last film no
Ono ye.
or na eyeye na me so my first one say say no wa fa ne say me directors any ye mienu wo akwa say de Lewin eyusu Jackson Bentum edi ye ni sini we yusu some power any ade na me be ye country called Ghana no na Lewin e ka che me say oh me ni Jackson mu na ye adwom yo so omo ka team no me pese omo e beta wachi na obi omo support on be as assistant na say bibi sa na me say okay omo so your ideas ba am pe country called Ghana say kwa kama
Yeah.
nti say Jones so obi a wasua de ana so onim sinitwamu pa because we say in film making no we have 3 features of film and one of the most important feature of film is film making is a collaborative artwork.
Yeah.
Nti as a professional no so when obi wo differences bi kra on wo personal issue bi kra once a producer sees
Fifi Gavin come on what you say
once
we need him come on but enche bia na and the say we hase na we
yeah nti no say once a producer sees something in this person and this person so me hemu mienu say mon collaborate na mon nya because the producer no is the employee.
Yeah.
And say wo Jones no ye betua woka na wo sika no ye you free ma ye for sika me kan me de ho what you say e ma me sika e no so a na say brabe kan na me bra so ntia I don't say me ka say me ne Jones nya because me na wo personal issue
Ofre mu mi
no na ofre mi na me so me de mate
what
me de me ni hwe ka say or the Jones we ba kan wa
we
are good to go after Fred Jones Ajiman open out by akesese mo no kwa ni madwuma o Kumasi because o person o said o ka che wona no person o kire say
ono nya adwuma no
o ye big also o ye person so o ye big a director what I say ono no opobia ono enim dia wo soro sen ono a o ye bibia nipa no betima question say next o person say me o ya de na enya na me che no kra on fa
anasa wuntimi krampo
mintimi encourage say mintimi onye say mintimi ko say me ka o me yo obi a ono yo obi a say me ka ade che say Jones ade a we nya kwa na onfa because onye na adwen say obesua ade afi a fellow a director say na me my ready say me ka me mesua bibia eden afi ne ho no ono nya ready into such a person no is not ready to learn, is not ready to move forward and is not ready to progress in the film industry. It's such a person no I didn't also wow say what person on the edge na wa twen komo on di say I Fifi Gavin there or no say adwuma no me ne ye adwuma kra say ade a me ye na nkoye ko o obesan bon sem kra ma me say me ye ade bone so person say ma bon me nim nyansa so it's such a person no on deserve kwa so war industry because on kwa jone papa
we want direct movie for years on deserve
so say based on the way you say oni adwene papa ma industry no what you say na ye de obi ba so one personal issue intimate nya adwuma we ba enti me kwatwa adwuma ya say me boa neki na so neki de o small boy the writer small boy there what but me kwa me so me the knowledge akoboa na mo no so asua de amene ono so ba ye big amemu ayedu na wo de ya de we ba so we de me da bi me de sen no so wan ko school bia wan ko film school bia ye to me ka se me ko le ko school ben na no ko ye
o do challenge on so ko school bia na ka
o me miracle academy what did me miracle achia na wo so asua de kakra na eja me miracle aboa
o miracle films academy
miracle films academy and o training to first o test ni kra na o timi de Wu Jones wo din eto so say Jones wo na wo direct
na person nya direct
ebi o wa nya ono a
okay
na miracle di say dey promote and no person o che say sabi ye kra na ye ko school na ye nya gaga say ya ko film school a obi aba ye se ye no be yadwan wo kitikiti wa ye uti say eyi adwe eti wa say na fanga ben de me na nya adwuma e na onim nyansa na o chema de kra na me yade na nya ko ntimi o ntimi nka o kan so kra mentie. How dare you?
All right, how dare you? Wait, Director Fifi Gavin. You say come on, or you be a obeso chechi omudo kwa ni na hu ni na be a enkomani nya fi say for now. A country called Ghana, ye na ye hu how a movie no a travel from home to that level. So right now, no, what educate here?
Yeah.
Ghana for who the Amazon Prime, Amazon 3 Faces,
Yeah.
Amazon Online,
Yeah.
Amazon Prime, and then
Amazon Prime with ads.
Prime with ads. That's a whole scanning every ever. So this will be the part 1 of minute Dr. Fifi Gabin interview. You know, I think say you better share him after say you didn't come over. You know, I know say there are other directors. But also person can be there for then we will continue from there. And then minute Director Fifi Gabin. Any share about Director 1. What do you say? Director Messiah dear. Yes, Director.
What's your dear? Yes, I'm a guy. I did a Messiah fear dear no. Messiah school dear no. My combining the movie.
So the movie so pushy movie. Woman directing movie or pushy the core baby or was a movie no. El Kobe and Tivasa share be within the Fresh Boy Papa J. Aha. A putting about the password and handle camera director BBR and bloggers be breguache Pokuan TV, The Don TV, Latif Blog, NJ TV, or when you never support here, boy, I'm a BBR Echo, so come. Or data,
Oh, yes. And another what watch me pa. Was I me can be. Oh, I'm so ashamed to mention the West here and say,
all right, so thank you for watching. Show an opinion. So if you have any opinion, you just reach us out. Remember, near Bedim, come on, so watch on so dear. Peace, we are out.